First, we will need some chopsticks. We will need some rubber bands. We will need 6 elastic bands for the top section of the gun, 1 for the bottom part of the handle. First, we will take 2 chopsticks and then a third. We are creating the muzzle. The gap here is 12 centimeters. We will use elastic bands to tie the chopsticks together, as you can see here. Now we need to compose the handle. 10 centimeters. Take 2 chopsticks, the thick part, and cut. These parts can be used for the trigger later. This is the trigger. This is 6.5 centimeters. We will take another piece of the chopstick and cut the thinner part to the size 6.5 centimeters. This will sit inside our gun like that. Okay. The handle needs to be attached to the body of the gun. It takes shape like a small V. We will wrap elastic bands around the bottom part, and later we will add more elastic bands around the top part, as you can see I am doing for you now. Take your time doing this part because the chopsticks sometimes like to slide. So hold it in place as tight as you can whilst you use the rubber bands to secure the handle to the body of the gun. You can use for this part additional rubber bands if you so desire. The gun is now taking shape. Now, we have our handle. The construction is quite sturdy. You can drop it. It feels fine. It's not weak. Now, we need a trigger. For the trigger part, we are going to add an additional rubber band. I'm adding additional rubber bands to ensure the trigger stays in place. If the trigger wobbles side to side, this is normal. You can add more rubber bands, as you can see that I'm doing here. Again, I wanted to ensure that my trigger was not loose. There we are, the trigger works. Mission accomplished.